All right, you ready?
Yes.
All right.
What are we doing?
Got my knife. We're doing wing challenge.
Right. For what?
So I'm gonna for Defcon.
But aren't we?
Reckless eating.
Yes.
Reckless eating, yes. Oh, hi there.
Hey guys, what's going on? It's Dark and Bella. Welcome to Heat 101.
Indeed.
Today we have a wing challenge.
Yeah.
I'm not sure what to expect out of this sauce. I'm hoping that this is just going to be a light snack. But this is actually a collaboration between Heat 101 and Reckless Eating.
Yes.
We've been watching Reckless Eating for about maybe a year and a half.
Mm-hmm.
Our good buddy Nuff introduced us to their channel, and I've been watching ever since. It is adult content. Not adult content, but has explicit language.
TVMA.
It's adult content, let's just be honest.
TVMA,
It
guys.
is 100% adult content. But he's an awesome guy. I love watching his channel, so go check him out if that's what you're into.
Dude,
if
he's
not,
hilarious.
keep your kids away, because that's not where they should be. Just saying.
He does the Tom Cruise, right?
Yeah, he's
the Tom Cruise.
and the Golden Girls.
Yes.
Oh my God, it's so great.
Thank you for being a friend.
Anyways, I sent him this sauce.
Yes.
This is the Defcon Sauces Defense Condition 1.
That I'm really excited about. It's won all kinds of awards. So, and I don't know if we tried this one. We've tried a few at some of the expos. So this
I don't
one's
remember.
the hottest.
Yeah, I don't remember either. I sent him this sauce because I wanted something hot and a challenge for him. And this seemed like a good one. Plus, we've never done it.
Yeah.
So I really wanted to get into some Defcon.
It's the hottest one of the three.
Of the defense conditions.
Yes.
Yes. Then there's some Curb Stomp and there's Clockwork Orange.
I know. That one's good. That
Which we're
one
going to
we
get
did
into
try.
later. We have it, so we're going to get into that also.
Yeah.
All right, on the front, it says high heat. Arm yourself with defconsauces.com. And this is an 8-ounce bottle. It's not the typical 5. So it's going to be more sauce. I figure we're going to do 12 wings each.
Mm-hmm.
We'll do half the bottle each.
Okay.
And then we'll just go to town.
Okay.
5-minute afterburner until we're feeling like it's coming down and we're set.
I love wings, so I'm not worried.
All right. I'm a little worried.
Don't be worried.
Ingredients on this. It says wing sauce, which is made out of distilled vinegar, aged cayenne peppers, salt, water, canola oil, paprika, xanthan gum, natural butter type flavor, and garlic powder. And then we have butter, which is made of sweet cream. We have cayenne pepper sauce, which is distilled vinegar, red cayenne salt, cayenne pepper, white wine vinegar, and oleo resin capsicum.
What?
That is an extract. So this is a pepper extract in here.
I'm real excited.
Now I'm concerned.
Now that we didn't prep.
Great.
Okay.
All right.
Fine. I'm sure it'll be fine. The tum-tum's gonna hurt later, but I mean, it's wings. I love wings.
All right, so I've already got 12 in here. I'm gonna go half the bottle. Show you that stuff.
It's got a really good.
Is that half the bottle?
Can you tell?
A little bit more. Maybe like that. Oh, that's more than half.
I really, really hope.
Smells good.
It smells amazing.
It smells hot.
Okay, so the first thing
I'll
I'm
wait for you.
thinking, I'm totally going to put this in my chicken dip, the buffalo chicken dip.
Yeah.
Like that's
Like
it smells
the
so good.
like Super Bowl style dips that you do.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, I think that's pretty much all I'm gonna get out of this.
All right, let's do it.
Okay,
And now mine's doing it this time.
I told you, it's these Tupperwares. Oh, it smells so good, you guys. It smells like there's blue cheese in
I
here.
hear it sloshing around. There's so much sauce in here.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Okay.
Look at this.
Ooh, pretty. Oh, it smells amazing. Ooh, the steam.
Look at all that steam and sauce.
That is the hotness right there.
Don't do
I'm gonna do that.
It's actually pooling at the bottom of the plate. So
Okay.
these seem really hot too.
I think they're like blazing hot still from the fryer.
The
I'm
air
just gonna
fryer that Senor Nuff has provided us.
Senor Nuffs. Senor Mep.
Mep.
Senor Mep.
Okay,
It doesn't matter to me.
I'm gonna get rid of this real quick because I don't want. Well, you know what? We'll keep it here for the
The bones.
bones. Da bones.
The bones.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
In 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, blood.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
That sauce is delicious.
It is. Oh yeah.
It's also all over my face.
Does have some heat though. It's ramping up.
I think I drooled.
That's so good. It's building.
Bit into a gum.
Whoa! Man down. Woo!
I can tell it's an extract burn.
I'm just slipping all over the place.
Ooh, got the nose run.
Are you winning?
I don't know, my nose is running like crazy.
Oh, my stomach's starting to hurt a little bit.
What are you at? Ooh, my nose is...
It's still building. Ugh. Done.
Me too.
Okay, I will just hang out for a little bit. Ooh, it's ramping up now. Woo!
Wait a minute. Little bits of goodness. Oh, man.
Oh, yeah, there's 2 little tiny pieces there.
Oh, my gloves are saturated. And the lips.
Oh, yeah.
My lips hurt.
Mine do too. Oh, fire.
Ooh.
That's good.
That sauce is really good.
It is.
Do I have it on me?
Oh, yeah. Not that much, but you do definitely have it on
I
you.
look silly.
Okay. No relief. Which shouldn't be a problem.
Excuse me.
All right.
It's so weird, you guys. Like the extract burn, versus just like a normal pod burn or like natural burn is so different. It almost, I don't know how else to describe it, but it penetrates more. Like it really does.
It's
just
just
a sting.
such a different burn.
Yeah.
It really is.
It is.
My hands are like twitching. Doing weird things.
My nose is running. But
Ooh, I see some mocos on your face.
yeah.
Yuck.
Oh. No, that's chicken. Excuse me, I'm gross. But seriously, the heat with the flavor, it's a perfect balance, I think.
It's really good.
It is. It's definitely, if you're not used to spicy, that's going to be hot. It's
Yeah.
up there. And when you're done eating, that's like really when it ramps up.
You know, I bet you if you were eating this, I can't even talk. I bet you if you're eating this slowly or like at a normal pace,
Yeah,
it would be even worse.
I think so too.
Just because you're waiting and like you're
You're
giving
letting
your
the
chance.
build
Yeah, you're
intensifies.
giving it a chance to build.
Yeah. That is fantastic.
I love it.
It's definitely hot. It's my tongue and the roof.
Ready
of my
for a
mouth
heat
is
level?
Yeah.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, 4.
Four.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. See, I didn't use gloves like you.
Listen,
I
I
went
have
in.
a ridiculous nail
went in.
issue, and look, you still got it. Oh, I don't want to flip you off there, but yeah, my nails are
Easy,
bad.
Bella. Jeez.
Man,
Great sauce, though, guys. I'm just going to get this stuff all over it. It's all over my hands.
gross.
Defcon Sauces. You check them out, guys. www.defconsauce.com.
Are your
For a
lips still
change.
on fire?
Around the outside.
Yeah, it's because you have sauce everywhere. My lips are hurting too.
I feel like a little kid that's been licking his lips all winter, and he's got like that
and they're
big,
chapped.
that big ring around that.
Uh-huh.
That's how I feel right now.
Yep.
All right, guys. Thanks for hanging out with us. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, become part of the family. We got all kinds of awesome content coming up just for you guys. You keep watching. We keep putting them out. If you have any suggestions for any challenges you'd like to see, let us know in the comments. We'll
Yes.
see you in those comments, too. Hope everybody has a fantastic day. Go buy some Defcon.
Do it.
Have a good one.
Can get my fat butt in here.
I'm so fat, Naomi.
These wings smelled like farts. Cooking them. It did have the whole house stinking like farts, though.
It really did.
Never realized how bad when you cook chicken without any spice or anything or
seasoning.
seasoning. It smells really.
Kind of gross, like dirty birdie.
Yeah.
I don't know any other way to describe
Dirty
it.
bird.
Dirty bird.
That's that dirty bird. Are these cool enough?
I don't know.
Let's open these while we're talking. Let's go ahead and just.
They're hot.
They smell.
Oh!
They still smell a little farty, but they smell better.
That smells so...
Farty! It's so farty!
Don't ruin the crab song. The David Bowie tribute. Don't do it.
You know me. Gotta have this straight.
Oh my god. You're
Okay.
so tedious.
Do.
Please.
We're recording. All right.
Okay, please don't do the Vince Vaughn tediousness.
In 3, 2, 1, here we go.
Yay! Oh my god, we're so lame.